Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 1.1.1 Non-Text Content. In this video, we'll cover how to run the automated checks and manually review different types of non-text content. Let's jump in. First, let's look at the automated checks. RAMP automatically scans your web page and flags any violations to non-text content. You'll see the scan results displayed here. One of the key areas to test is image function. Meaningful images should have appropriate alternative text, while decorative images should be ignored by assistive technologies. Activate the element highlighter to highlight all images on the page. Analyze each image to determine if it's correctly coded as meaningful or decorative. If a functional image provides an interactive component's accessible name, it must be coded as meaningful. If not, it should be coded as decorative. If you find images that are incorrectly coded, add a failure. Next, we need to verify that meaningful images have appropriate text alternatives. This ensures users who rely on assistive technologies receive the same information. Follow these steps. Activate the element highlighter to identify all meaningful images. Check if each image's alternative text accurately describes either its contents or its interactive purpose. For example, if a gear icon opens a settings page, the alt text settings is correct even though it doesn't describe the icon visually. If the alternative text is missing or unclear, add a failure. Some images like infographics convey more detailed information and require a programmatically related description. To test this, use the element highlighter to locate meaningful images. Determine whether a simple text alternative is sufficient. If not, check for a detailed image description. If a complex image lacks a description, or if the description is not programmatically related, add a failure. Finally, let's check for CAPTCHAs, which can be a barrier for users with disabilities. Scan the page to identify any CAPTCHAs. Verify that alternative methods are provided for users without vision or hearing. If no alternatives are available, add a failure. And that's it. By following these steps in RAMP's audit grid, you can ensure that non-text content meets accessibility requirements.
Now it's your turn. Test your site with RAMP's audit grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.